What's up guys, and welcome back. Today we are doing a video about one of our sponsors, which is called Bikesplast. They make excellent fairings out of the Czech Republic. I would call them more of a premium fairing making company because they do all of their models specific to certain bikes. They don't take already made fairings and copy them or anything like that. So they're completely hand built in the Czech Republic and come with a very high level of quality, considering they're meant to be broken. Well, basically not broken, but that's the whole point of getting fairings like this for your track bike, is that you don't break the original fairings, which might be highly expensive. Some of you might not even know that Bikesplast has been on the market for over 20 years, so they have a lot of experience doing fairings for bikes. And it shows in these fairings also, because all of the crucial points on these fairings are Kevlar reinforced. Bikesplast fairings come in a white fiberglass, and they have a UV protective coating on them. So you can basically run these fairings as is. You can just put them on the bike, attach the seat, and go to the track. Some features that you have in these fairings are, for example, a heat shielded belly pan with drain plugs. So it will hold liquids that come out of the engine. So the great quality of Bikesplast fairings can be seen also with the pre-drilled holes and the original USA-made Zeus fasteners that come with the fairings. So as you can see, our bike is looking like a 2020 Yamaha R1, but actually the bike that we have is a 2019 Yamaha R1. That is because we are running the Bikesplast 2020 R1 Mutant Kit on a 2019 bike, which looks awesome in my opinion. So with this kit you are required to run the DB Holders 2020 R1 front bracket, which allows you to attach the front cowling properly to this bike. We are also running the DB Holders rear subframe for this bike. These brackets and subframes are made out of aerospace grade aluminum and are powder coated in black for protection. These are on average 25% lighter than your original subframe and bracket in the front. They're also a lot cheaper to replace compared to your original kit. So if you're getting the 2020 R1 Mutant Kit from Bikesplast, you will get the front bracket with the kit. You can easily find it on their website. It has all the equipment that you need to make this conversion. But if you are running a full track bike build, I would highly recommend you also swap out the rear subframe. Now I will warn you that you will have to at least remove and reinstall the ABS pump unit, which might be a problem. So if that is something that you are not willing to do or not ready to do not change the subframe yet. So that was an overview of Bikesplast as a company and the 2020 R1 Mutant Kit. We will be doing an installation video for you guys so you can see step by step how this kit goes on. It's very easy and simple, and I'm actually amazed how easy it was to fit this kit on the 2019 R1. I would like to say a huge thank you for Bikesplast for sponsoring us, and I would ask you guys to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the video that we will be doing about the installation later on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.